In a little village, there were two cats, Whiskers and Shadow. Whiskers was super brave and loved going on adventures. But Shadow, the other cat, was a bit scared and liked staying in familiar places. One day, people started talking about a scary creature in the nearby forest. Whiskers, being brave, wanted to check it out. He asked Shadow, who was a bit scared, to come along. As they went into the forest, it got dark, and the trees made spooky shapes. Shadow felt really scared, but Whiskers kept going. Suddenly, they found a beautiful butterfly. Whiskers laughed, and Shadow, although scared at first, smiled too. When they went back to the village, Whiskers told Shadow, "Facing fears with a friend can show you wonderful things. Bravery and friendship can make scary things not so scary."